guys, welcome back to my channel, Craft That. Today I'm so excited because I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a fidget pad. I'm really excited because this is so much fun to play with when you're done, and it's super fun to make. I don't actually have the real version of the fidget pad, but I do have a fidget cube. So in the video, if not everything is placed right and not the right things, like let's say I did the buttons and this, and that's actually not the actual, those aren't on the same side, then you'll know why. It's because I actually don't really have the actual thing. So yeah. First, you're gonna take a piece of cardboard, and I'm gonna attempt to make the shape. I'm not sure if it'll turn out like the shape because, like I said, I don't have the real one to go by. So I'm just gonna try my best and try to make the shape. Once you've made your shape, cut it out and make another one of it. So I made 2 of these little cardboard pieces, and now we're actually gonna start making the fidget parts on it. First, you only need to take 1 of these, then we'll do this one later. And we're gonna make the little buttons on it. For this, you're gonna need 5 googly eyes. And you want them to be like this kind of smaller size. Not like the super small ones, but like these size. Okay, so you can feel how they feel like a little button kind of. So yeah, that's why we're using these. And since, like I said, I don't have the real fidget pad to go by, I'm just gonna, this one has 5, so I'm just gonna do 5 on this side. So yeah, get your hot glue gun or some of this glue, but I'm gonna use my hot glue gun because it goes faster. And you can glue them on. I first want to make sure that they can all fit on. And don't worry, since they look like googly eyes right now, we're gonna paint over them at the end. Okay, I think mine fit good, and now I'm gonna start gluing them. Here it is, and the good thing about using hot glue is that it's already dry and you can play with the buttons. Now we are going to make the joystick. First, cut out a circle the size of this little joystick. As you can see, mine is about the size of it, which is what you want. Next, you're going to poke a little hole in this and in your circle, which I've already done. I used a sharp pencil, which actually poked right through, or you can try using your scissors to poke it through if that doesn't work. Next, take one of these little rubber bands and cut it so it just is this little stretchy line, and you want to put it through your hole. It's kind of tricky. You have to get it right through. So the hole has to be big enough for putting this through. I forgot to mention, but mine was. Once you do that, you want a little bit of it sticking out, and glue it down with your hot glue gun. And you have to use hot glue with this. I tried using this glue, it does not work. Okay, once you've glued it down at the top, then you're going to want to poke it through like this. Poke it through the other hole right here and put it down. And you can kind of see a little bit of the stick. Well, a little bit of the rubber band, and you want that. You want to see the little bit of the stick of the rubber band, because you can see here, you can kind of see it. But then to make this one, we're going to pull it down all the way so it feels different. But for this, since it's the joystick, stick it up a little bit, like about that much. And now you can glue this side down as well. So I like to put a little hot glue somewhere and then just glue it down. Here's the joystick. It's super fun to play with, and I really like how it turned out. Take your other side and we're gonna do more buttons. Next, you're gonna make this part, which is super similar on how to make the joystick. So again, cut out a little circle. So I'm just gonna cut one out with this little piece of cardboard. So I cut out the circle, and now we're gonna poke a hole through this part and this part, like we did last time. Glue down the little like piece right here. Then poke this side through here. And then glue it on this side. But this time we're gonna pull as tight as it can, you are not gonna do like that. You're gonna pull it as tight as it can go and then glue it down. So here mine is. I don't know if you can tell, but like it really makes a difference. Like this one feels like a lot more like it spins, and then this one's sticking up more. So like you go like this, but then this one, you can still do that, but it doesn't feel the same. This one just spins better. So yeah, I actually decided that we're not gonna do the light switch because that's just really too hard. Like I tried a bunch of different ways and it was too hard. We're also not gonna make these because they're too hard. We're gonna do this little ball. You're going to take a rubber band and cut it in half like we did. And then you're gonna take a bead and string it on the rubber band so it looks like that. And you're gonna poke 2 little holes into this so the rubber band can go through. Put the bead through the holes, and now it looks like that on the back, and we're gonna glue these bands down. And now we have both sides, and we're gonna glue these together. So here it is, and now we can paint them. I'm using the color pink, but you can use any one you want. First, you can color the googly eyes over with your color that you chose. Next, paint over this thing. Then you can paint this part. Here it is, and I'm gonna wait for it to dry. I didn't need to paint this part because it was already pink. So this is the final thing. All the paint has dried, and here is the buttons. The buttons are my favorite. They're just so much fun to press. Then I have the joystick. I have the little like circle spinning thing, and I have the little ball. I love how this turned out. This is like really how I wanted it to turn out, and I think it looks super good, and it's like so much fun to fidget around and play with. So please like and subscribe to my channel if you want me to do more fidget videos. I might, maybe in an upcoming video, I'll be showing you how to make a poppet if you guys seem to really like this video. And yeah, that is it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe for more. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!